of Batangas City, repping from San Jose. Vlogging is the name of the game, and if you subscribe to my channel, I'll promise to keep ya entertained. We all have a goals, and it is impossible to achieve those goals if we are not healthy physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, and spiritually. And if you are wondering why would I telling you this, is that because that will be the content of my video for the day. Today, I am about to share with you my self-care plan on how I can execute my goals. So without further ado, let's begin. Physical self. It includes sleep within 8 hours, exercise, and eat healthy foods. It is my top priority to ensure that my body is always in a good condition. For me, if I am healthy physically, then everything will go to work smoothly. Magkakaroon ng tamang process the way I think and even the way I feel. This will also give me enough energy to get through my works and personal commitments. Mental self. It includes read books, listening to music, have fun, and think positive. Life is sometimes happy and sometimes sad. But I always remind myself that I must view all things in life on its positive side. Para sa akin, that negative thoughts will just drag me down. At naniniwala kasi ako that everything happens for a reason. So, dear life, bring it on, because I know in the end, I'm gonna surpass it all no matter what. On that mental self-care, it is also significant that my mind is open for all the possible learnings and knowledge, because this will bring me several ideas on how I should think in life and will guide me to strive for the better choice and decisions. Emotional self. It includes emotional maturity, kindness, forgiveness, and stress management. I am a type of person who is just going with the flow. Lahat naman tayo, kahit pa siguro yung pinakamayaman, pinaka-successful, at pinakamasayang tao sa buong mundo, we are all experiencing to be stressed. But one thing is I know, I will never let that stress to defeat me. I mean, as long as God is allowing me to handle the life that He gave me, I will never let those obstacles and challenges to be the hindrance for my success. It is possible na paulit-ulit akong mabigo, at paulit-ulit ko ding papatawarin ang sarili ko for all the failure things that I will make. And I will be thankful for that failure in giving me ways on how I can successfully achieve all my goals in life. Social self. It includes positive social media, communication, ask for help, set boundaries, and support system. One of the ways to achieve our goals is by learning through other people. Pero sabi nga, piliin mo kung sino ang pakikisamahan mo. And then, kaya dun ako sa mga tao na kung saan ay susuportahan ako in a good way. Those person who will teach me a lot of wisdom that I can use to achieve my goals. Those person who will never leave even things went wrong. Those person who will motivate and encourage me to continue dreaming despite of all my failures. And those person who will stay until the end of my battle. The spiritual self. It includes self-reflection, connection, time alone, and meditation. I allow myself to learn through others. But I always ensure na mas marami akong matututunan sa sarili ko at sa mga karanasan ko. For me, that spiritual self-care is about giving time in myself to be alone in every day. I mean, it is a self-time where I can reflect sa mga mangyayari sa akin the whole day na makakatulong para magkaroon ako ng idea kung paano ko haharapin ang bukas. It is also here na kung darating man sa point na mapipil kong down na ako sa sarili ko at wala akong mapagsabihan, but then I know that God is always there. He will listen and help me to overcome things. Sabi ko nga, everything will be okay in the end, and it's just a matter of trusting the process. So that's all. Thanks for watching and keep safe.